Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on VeThor. In my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakout from another down channel, the price on a VeThor was rejected by a quite long-term uptrend line resistance. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. By the way, after the rejection, it was testing a quite long-term support line, and this was the support line. Now we are on the live 7 days time frame chart. And the support zone was from half cents at $0.005 and goes to $0.0045. That was recently breaking as resistance here, and resistance here. And even previously, before that, it has been breaking as a very strong support line here for several weeks, a month. And therefore, now it can break as a very strong support line. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after testing the support line, the price line is now gearing up. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive pump. And you can see that so far from this low to here, it has pumped almost 1,306%. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VeThor that I shared on 2nd of December 2024 with my members in the previous month of December, and that was a harmonic bullish reverse garlic pattern that VeThor completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from this buying on and rallied beyond the sell targets on. And this was more than 54%. Very, very massive pump. Now let's move to the live chart of VeThor. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, since after the month of Feb 2024 up till the month of November, it has been moving inside this down channel. And I was telling you that after the breakout of the channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel at $0.007. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target and got rejected by a quite long-term uptrend line resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, you can see that this uptrend line resistance is coming from here, from the month of from the first week of June 2022. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And recently it is once again rejected and dropped down at this long-term support zone. That starts from $0.005 and goes to $0.0045. That was recently breaking as a resistance zone here. And before that, it was working as support down here, and support down here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price on the VeThor. By the way, now we need to break out the next resistance of $0.007. That was recently working as a resistance here and resistance here. And for a few weeks, it has been working as a support here as well. And if the price then breaks it out, then it can also reach the next resistance of 1.3 cents, and it can also hit this uptrend line resistance as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this wedge, and that target will be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 2.8 cents to 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.